Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Lincoln Navigator and I will show you the fuel pump fuse and relay location. This video will apply to third generation of Lincoln Navigators made from 2009 all the way up to 2014. All the fuses and relays will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is very easy accessible. It's right here in front of the engine. Now to lift this cover you will have two black tabs, one on the right side, one on the left side. So you want to press onto each of the tabs and lift up. On the back side of the cover you will have a nice fuse diagram. Now the first thing you want to check, it's a fuel pump relay, which is a relay number 5 located right here. Now the best way to test it is just try to replace it with any relay of the same kind and see if that makes a difference. If it does, just buy a new relay and have it replaced. The next thing you want to check, it's a fuse number 44, which is a 20 amp fuse located right here, and this is the fuse responsible for power to the fuel pump relay. So this fuse supplies power to this relay right here. Next thing to check, it's fuse number 55, which is a 5 amp fuse located here, responsible for power to fuel pump relay coil. And now the last thing worth checking, it's a fuel pump diode, which is located at a slot number 61, which is right here. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.